Welcome to Prodigy Exclusive Company, your one-stop shop for solar generator products and services.
Today, we'll be taking you on a journey of one of our recent installations at Abeokuta, Ogun State, Nigeria. We are here to install 800 watts capacity solar generator, which powers TV, fans, home theater, PS4 game, the lighting, the POP lightings, all the basic appliances in 3-bedroom apartment. Have other bigger and smaller ranges of our solar generator capacity. Depending on your load specification will determine the particular capacity you are to go for. Kindly send us message for more information if you want to know more about this product.